Hi guys, Mark again, Bowenmoto. Just a little video just to let you know what happens when you turn up for work on your bike, service, puncture repair, whatever. So we'll endeavour to meet you as you arrive. We're keeping an eye out so we can then ask you to park up anywhere you like really. There's a decent space and we'll come out, leave the keys in the bike. Obviously it won't be happening all the time, but I'll explain that in a second. We then get our wipes. These are surface disinfectant wipes, and we'll go over the bike, all those bits that have been touched, and we'll give them a good clean, just so that it's safe for us then to operate on the bike, or work on the bike I should say. So any sort of areas we feel need a bit of a clean off, we'll do. If we feel that it needs more, say for instance you've turned up in a pair of Speedos, then we'll clean the whole bike. So don't do that on purpose though. So this will then protect the member of staff who's then going to wheel it in, perform the service or whatever job we're performing. Then we'll go out for a ride, just a normal test ride. We'll park the bike back up, and then we'll do the same routine. So we'll clean it down again with the antibacterial, so any chance of us contaminating it and then contaminating you should be reduced to zero. Now, you won't be able to, every time we won't be able to catch you as you arrive. So what we would suggest is park up and then proceed over to the workshop entrance as normal. So looks clear at the moment, doesn't seem to be anyone about, so we're going to go in and then round to workshop reception, and I'll be here to greet you, and then we can simply just hand the keys over. We'll go through the same disinfecting routine on the keys, and we'll come and catch up with the bike after that. So that's just a little brief one, and of course when you're finished you can come back into this area and we'll do the payment with the safe terminal, card machine fingers if needed, and there's gel there as well. And obviously we've got the gel at the beginning as we said before in the previous video, so it should keep you nice and safe. So what I'm going to do now, next video is going to be from the showroom coming in, so we'll look forward to seeing you soon, but for the time being, bye.